Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect your 3.5 millimeter jack headphones, or rather wired headphones, to your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, obviously, this phone does not have a headphone jack, but you can actually connect your wired headphones or earbuds using an adapter like this one. So this is a Type C to 3.5 millimeter jack. So you connect your headphones to this adapter. Okay, this is a very inexpensive adapter. I'll leave a link down below. So connect the Type-C end of this adapter into your phone. It's literally that simple. And the headphones are connected. You can now consume any media you want via the headphones. And it's plug and play. You just connect and it starts working immediately. Now, if you want to, let's say, charge, or you want to make some other use of that USB-C port while still connecting your wired headphones or earbuds, you can pick an alternative to that adapter. So this one has the same Type-C connector, but on this other side, you get your 3.5 millimeter jack to connect your headphones, and you still have a free USB-C pass-through. So you can connect it like this, and then you can connect your other device that you want to connect, maybe a charger to charge your Galaxy Z TriFold, or some other kind of device, maybe a USB stick, whatever it is you want to use that USB port for. And then that's how to connect wired headphones or earbuds to your Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching. I'm going to link all these adapters down below. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.